Now I will show you how to add this pin, but in manual way, if you need to add custom pin. For example, I will add the pin the same as Straumann pin. What we have this? We have crystal area of this pin and we have the insertion depth. Insertion depth is 12.5 millimeters. Diameter of the pin is 1.3 millimeter and the total length is 28 millimeters. That means uh, mm, that this distance will be 28 minus 12.5. That means that this distance will be 7.5 millimeters, right? And here we have sleeve for this pin, and the sleeve diameter is 2.5 millimeters, and the sleeve height is 7.5 millimeters, as we see here. That means if we get calculator and 7.5 plus 12.5, you see that this is 12 millimeters and 8 millimeters this part. Okay, let's start to do this implant. We go to extras and go to implant designer. In implant designer we have main part and we need to add the handle. If we go to the main part, we could correct diameter of this main part 1.3, top diameter and bottom diameter 1.3. Now if I need to add the segment is here, I add 0 segment and put it upper of the implant, and then I add new segment. That will be new segment. That will be handle. It doesn't matter which diameter will be with our handle. I could make it big. It is not necessary, but necessary is this distance. And this distance we know as 8 millimeters, right? 8 millimeters. Okay, and this is 20 millimeters. And now, when we have this pin, we need to add crystal area. I select this segment and this part, this is crystal area. And I need to make it minus 7.5. 7.5. Okay, let's check. This distance 12, crystal area minus 7.5, diameter 1.3, the top area diameter is not necessary, but the top height 8 millimeters. Okay, publish, accept, accept, next. Then we need to add manufacturer, model. Here we need to select lateral fixation pin and select color. Okay. Um, I call it 555. We could see 28 millimeters diameter. It's wrong. We need to add 1.3, 1.3. Now we go next, and we can see our implant, and we could see insertion depth 12.5, and total light is 28 millimeters. Finish and close. And now I could add this implant. If I go to favorites, where's my favorite? Ah, this one. Test. And you see my pin. Now these pins are parallel. Okay, and if we select this pin, we could see a sleeve here. Now we need to add the sleeve for this. We go to extras and edit custom sleeve, new, accept, OK. And here we need to add the diameter. And what we know, that final diameter is 2.5. 2.5, okay. And diameter of our pin is not so necessary, but I prefer edit. Okay, 1.5, and the length of our pin sleeve is 7.5. 7.5. Okay, we have it. Next. And this is important thing, how to place our sleeve from the top of implant, total, or distance to the crystal level. Because we have crystal level, we select distance to the crystal level of implant. And here we also have sleeve position. How far from the crystal level of implant we need to place this sleeve? Definitely to 0 millimeters. Okay, next. Here we select no and next. And pin sleeve. Finish. And now when I select the sleeve for this pin, I go to custom sleeve and see this pin sleeve.